Welcome back everyone, and today we're going to be unboxing the handheld game console, the Trimui, I think that's how you pronounce it, Smart Pro, and this is the model TG5040, and I'm very excited to see what's going on with this console. I want to give a big shout out to these guys for sending me the console along with this amazing traveling case. So if you're interested in picking this console up, I'll have links in the description down below so you can check it out and see if it's something that you would like to add to your collection. Big shout out to Mech DIY for sending me this beautiful console. This is the Trimui Smart Pro Retro Handheld Game Console, the ultimate pocket-sized powerhouse for all of your classic gaming adventures. Let's dive into the specs that make this console stand out. First up, the stunning 4.96-inch IPS screen with a 720 by 1280 resolution, delivering crystal clear visuals with vibrant colors, perfect for any retro game lover. Under the hood, the Trimui Smart Pro is powered by a all-winner A133P CPU running at 1.8 GHz with a PowerVR GE8300 GPU to ensure smooth, lag-free performance even for your most intense gaming sessions. It's got 1 GB of LPDDR4 RAM and 8 GB of internal storage, with an expandable memory up to 256 GB via an external TF card, which means that's a ton of room for all of your favorite games. The USB Type-C charging ensures you can power up quickly even when the console is powered off, and with the 5000 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 5 hours of continuous gameplay. One of the coolest features about this console is the RGB dual analog stick lights that add an extra touch of style while you're gaming. Plus, the console features stereo speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a built-in mono microphone for a full audio experience. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can enjoy online multiplayer gaming with friends. Whether you're battling it out in a classic game or exploring new titles, the Trimui Smart Pro makes it all possible. And measuring 18 by 8 by 1.7 centimeters. Perfect for gaming on the go. Whether you're on the road or chilling at home, the Trimui Smart Pro is your perfect gaming companion. Get yours today and relive the magic of retro gaming with a modern twist. Check out the link below to grab your Trimui Smart Pro Retro Handheld Gaming Console. And right now, Mech DIY has an amazing Christmas promotion of 18% off all of their retro gaming consoles, plus some amazing Christmas gifts included. And let's bring up the volume here. And I just like the fact that that ring changes colors. That is very cool. I'm not sure if it's due to the emulator. Looks like it. That is very cool. Gives it a nice flair. Nice little feature. And pressing LR, we have best, emulators, apps, netplay, settings. There's different categories, looks like, and recent, and favorites. Let's continue on under the emulators. There are so many games in here. There's over 1800 in Super Nintendo. Looks like there's none in, oh, I guess, okay, so 31 games. I didn't see that before. Let's see, Virtual Boy. Okay, so 54 games. So I guess you'll have to go into these categories or these emulators to, to get that number pulled up. But yeah, the wallpapers are pretty awesome too. That's like one of my favorite things about these consoles, as well as like the different themes. They not always have the same themes, and that makes it so unique. Oh, there's only 10 PSP games, huh? Let's see what kind of titles we got in here. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Let's see, PS, PlayStation. Final Fantasy, Ghost in the Shell, interesting. Gran Turismo, Harvest Moon. So I just want to check out what's going on here first, and then we'll move on to some gameplay. We got Supervision, TIC 80, and a lot of these consoles I've never even heard of before. You know, like this one, WSC, Wonder Swan. I've never seen that console before. I've heard of it, but I've never seen it. And I guess we're back on page 1, so you can see the amount of games on here. It's pretty insane. Let's go back to best. This is kind of interesting. So we have best demo collection. What does that mean? So free games and tools. Sheep it up. Let's look at Nintendo, Game Boy. So I guess these are just demos. Interesting. Here's the Super Mario Collection, Classic Collection. So you got your arcade. Wow, so they categorize all of the different Mario games in each of these emulators all into one collection. That's pretty awesome. All of the Mario games under Game Boy Advance. So if you're a big Mario fan, this is gonna be great. Oh, best vertical shoot 'em ups. Let's go on to Sonic. And each one of these have, oh, there's a Dreamcast emulator. I gotta check that out. Oh, look at that, Ninja Turtles Cowabunga Collection, TMNT. Wow, this is awesome. There's a couple of arcade games, Atari, DOS, Game Boy, and we got a collection of Zelda, 64, Ocarina of Time, nice, Super Nintendo, very cool. So now let's go take a look at the apps that's included on here. So we have the function key setting, Moonlight, so you can connect this to your PC, media player, USB storage, RetroArch or RetroArch, boot logo, OTA update, and terminal. Next page we have an emu cleaner, file manager, screen record, system tools, random, PortMaster, reboot, and scrapper. This is where you're going to obtain your thumbnails and artwork and things like that. Let's check out PortMaster. I'm wondering what this is. Starting PortMaster. Nice. Featured ports, all ports, ready to run ports, manage ports option. So space 8.85 gigabytes free out of 119. So this has a 120 gigabyte card. We have custom firmware running, battery percentage, and the time. So let's take a look at what the ports are. Interesting. Wow, this is a lot. This is overwhelming with all the different games included. And we got some music playing from this, background music. Yeah, I really like this console. It's pretty awesome. Let's check out system tools and see what we got going on in here. Emulators, network, theme, tools, user interface. Let's check out user interface. Tools related to managing your best collection. Okay. Add icons. on best folders. Tool that renames your best collection folders with better names and adds logos for them as needed. Interesting. Let's press OK. Add icons on best folders. Okay, we're just going to go back. The Start tab. Choose the default tab that will be displayed whenever you power on your device. Wow. Let's check out Theme. Advanced settings. So configure each element separately. Themes, backgrounds, icons. Wow, so there's a lot of customization in this little console. I love that. Anytime you can mess around, look at that. That's very cool. You could change the background on this. Oh, look at that Pokédex blue. So you got Pokeballs. Just remove that screen protector. It's just a cover. It's not really a screen protector. It's just a cheesy little plastic cover, I guess. And we got icons. Select an icon collection for your game systems. Wow. Oh, look at that. Pokemon, Flow, and Grid. So I guess right now the loaded theme is the Cross Mix OS. Let's check out Trunky Fran. Applying the Cross Mix OS theme. Wow, look at all those cables. Not compatible with firmware. Applying default icons by default. Trunky Fran backgrounds by default. So it's changing everything right now. Hopefully it doesn't restart. But for it to do all of that, that's a lot, isn't it? Let's take a look at what we got. So it looks like it did change a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Let's go back and change another theme. I'm a big fan of themes. I love to have a variety of different things. We have Epic Noir, Pip-Boy, Gray Dark. Oh, we got Pokédex Flow, Pokédex Grid, gamepads, logos. So let's try this Pokemon Flow here. Let's try this one and see how this looks. So there you go. That is the Pokemon theme. So just like a Pokédex or Pokemon from one of the Game Boys. It's very rich in Pokemon sounds. Let's lower the volume a little bit. So under themes, I changed it to PSP. And now we've got the PS Vita background music and background with icons. So now we're going to move on to some gameplay on different emulators here running on this console. Damn. Got wasted.
best suited to you. An ability to jump so high you defy the laws of gravity is a must-have accessory in Little Big Planet, and your action button will furnish.
So that is it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this gaming console. I really like the fact that it has all of those LED lights right next to the analog, and how it changes when you go and switch like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle games and things like that, and it just kind of stays consistent with the colors of what you're looking at. So I thought that was pretty cool and very nifty of this product, and how it has this beautiful IPS LCD too. It's just amazing. So comment down below what you think, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe for more awesome videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.